I have a guitar. It's done. I want to show you. Before I do that, Kyle and I are trying to grow our Facebook, TikTok, and also our YouTube channel. Those social media platforms is the way that we get out how we build stuff, tips and tricks, reviews on products, tools, jigs, the list goes on and on. But we are asking for your help, as in sharing, writing a nice little paragraph within the share to get people interested, to hopefully grow all of our social media presence so that way we reach more people. We believe that every guitar player in some way should build their own guitar. Sometimes it's a kit, sometimes it's, all the way from start to finish, or it's just piecing stuff together. But we really truly believe that everybody should build their own guitar. And everything that we do as it relates to this social media platform or others is just to kind of give people encouragement and also tips on how to do that and how to accomplish that. There, I said it. So let me grab this guitar. There is an organization here in Toledo, Ohio that started many, many moons ago called Acoustics for Autism. And more importantly, the parent company is called Project I Am. This organization here locally raises money for children with autism, for the most part on the spectrum, and grants them many different things such as helping with tuition, things that like iPads or other types of devices or therapies that help children with autism get help. To show that as a community we care locally for people that need a little extra help. I started working with Project I Am pretty much from the start. I would say within weeks actually. And I believe in the organization. This year, I wasn't able to perform because I'll be overseas for work. About 2 months ago, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna build a guitar for Project I Am to auction off, and the proceeds go to help children with autism. This is that guitar. I just want to go over this really quickly. This is the Chromatic T, the very basic guitar that we're starting off with what we are building at Quater here. And I decided to go with the Autism Blue Pickguard. You'll notice metal pickguard, no screws. There's 4 magnets that hold us down. It has a Padauk fretboard, swamp ash body, 2 Railhammer Nuevo 90 pickups, a musically humbucking Telecaster bridge, tone, volume, 3-way selector. This features a control cavity that also is magnetic, so you can pop in your little Allen wrench and pop it out, and there you have it. There's your electronics, all held in by magnets. It's pretty much what I really like. Moving forward, we have a light Birdseye figured maple neck. This is serial number 0005. Spurzel locking tuners, Reverend Triple Tree, a bone nut, and medium jumbo stainless steel frets. This guitar will be at Small Box Music in Toledo, Ohio from today until I believe Saturday. From Saturday, it's gonna go up on auction. So for the next couple days, folks, you can go to Small Box, go visit them, check the guitar out. You can play it all you want. And hopefully this guitar will raise money for children in need. And Kyle Smithers and I believe in this organization, and we both chose that this was what we wanted to contribute to, especially for 2024. So, if this at all interests you, best of luck. I hope you win the auction. And you're gonna help out a fantastic organization. So on behalf of Quater Guitars and Kyle Smithers and myself, have a great day, and let's raise some money for some kids.